Good morning. Divisibility rules. So these rules are handy shortcuts used to determine if a given integer is completely divisible by another without performing lengthy long division. So this is the summary of the common divisibility rules. Whether the number is divisible by 2. If 2 is the even numbers, that means uh, ends in an even digit. If there is even digits are there in the number at the end, then that number is divisible by 2. For example, 3, the sum of all the digits, we have to sum all the digits, and if that sum is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. 4, the last two digits forms a number divisible by 4. If last two digits uh, form a number, if that number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. 5, the last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is also divisible by 5. 6, the number passes both the rules for 2 and 3. These 2 and 3 rules, that is also applicable for if the number is divisible by 6. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining number. The result is a multiple of 7, that is a divisibility by 7. And the last three digits form a number that is divisible by 8, then that is a divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 9, the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. 10, the last digit should be 0, then that is divisible by 10. 11, the alternating sum of the digits is 0 or a multiple of 11, then that will be divisible by 11. The number passes both the rules 3 and 4. Whatever the rules 3 and 4, that number also passes for this 12 number. Now let us, which of the following number is divisible by 2? So we have seen that if the number ends with even digit, then that number is also divisible by 2. So which number ends is divisible is even digit. So this number is having end number is even digit. So this number is divisible by 5432 is divisible by 2. Okay. Then divisibility rule for 7. So the rule, what is the rule for divisibility by 7? Double the last digit. Whatever the last digit is there, we have to double the last digit, then subtract it from the remaining digits and repeat if needed. If the final result is 0 or multiple of 7, the original number is divisible by 7. So let us consider this example. Check if 2422 is divisible by 7. So as per the rules, we have to double the last digit. What is the last digit? It is a 4. So double last 4 digits. So what is the remaining digits? Remaining digit is 242. So 242 is the remaining digits. We have to subtract the digits, last digit which we have double, that number is subtract from the remaining number. So we get here 238. Now repeat if needed. We have to repeat again we have to repeat, because again last digit is 8, we have to double this, so it is a 16. So remaining number is 23. Again 23 minus 16. 23 minus 16, we are getting here 7. So again 7 is the multiple, remaining number is 7. Now it is a 7 is a multiple of 7. 7 it's, since 7 itself is a multiple of 7. So the given number given number 2422 is divisible by 7. In this way we can check the divisibility by any number if you know all these rules. Thank you very much for watching the video.